So I'm going to go ahead and just get it started. You guys out there, you do your thing. My name is Goldie, and welcome to another episode of Live at the BeeHive. And when I say I'm at the BeeHive, boom, that's the BeeHive I'm talking about right there. This is unreal. So we have taken the show on the road quite literally. And as you can tell behind the band that is set up, about ready to rock and roll, we are in front of the Red Cliff Bridge in between Aspen and Minturn on Highway 24. And why? Because I learned something about this bridge today. Apparently its nickname is Lover's Leap.
I learned that today too.
Or the Green Bridge.
Or the Green Bridge. I kind of like the Green Bridge.
Our studio audience brought that to the table. You can't get away with just saying stuff anymore without having proof with everybody with Google. You know what I mean?
Yeah, somebody being all like, bent out of it. So I said to Tyree one day on the internet, I was like, yo, want to play in front of the Minturn Bridge with your band?
Yup.
Drive all the way from Steamboat on a random Tuesday? Answer was yes. And it's because there's a passion for this, and that's why we're doing this. So we're out here. It's just fun. Like, it's the week of the GoPro Mountain Games up in Vail, Colorado. I get to be a part of that as well. It's rad. I'm looking downstream. Maybe I can get you guys a shot. I don't know if we have the shot of downstream, but what I can do is bring it back to the band and understand that we are going through a really hard water year. There's not a lot of water up here at all. So this might be the biggest activity happening up at the river this year, because GoPro Mountain Games is unfortunately a no-go in this zone this year.
Yep.
What we're going to do is I'm going to introduce the band. They're going to go ahead and give it their all for a few songs maybe. Then we'll come in, talk a little bit more. They'll give us some more music, and then we're going to wrap it up. So it's a sunset set right here on Highway 24. You're with us wherever you are at on the internet. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Buffalo Commons. Buffalo Commons, Tyree, you are the lead singer.
Hey, thanks for having us.
Yeah, dude. What inspired you to come out here other than just being awesome?
Well, just being awesome was a huge contributing factor to what I... But you know what? Getting to do something with my buddies, my brethren, Denton Turner on the bass here. This is Eric Baker on the mandolin. That's Tyler Kane on the drums. And we're Buffalo Commons. And just getting out here and playing music with these guys in a beautiful place. I've never seen a video of anybody playing here before.
Yeah, this is a pretty amazing spot.
I always loved driving over this thing. So it was a no-brainer, really. And, yeah, and we got people here to hang out and watch us. We got folks that are coming in off the side of the road.
The
This
crowd
is a good time.
gathering.
We just started a festival, you guys.
That's right.
Green Bridge.
Lover's Leap.
So we're from Steamboat Springs, Colorado, and we enjoy playing all over the state and surrounding areas, and we enjoy playing music. And like you talked about earlier, not everything is driven by money. Sometimes it's just getting a chance to work with people like yourself, Goldie. We're progressive and pushing things forward and finding new ways to do things and finding silver linings in the stuff that we go through. And we spoke about that, and that's what we're all about too, and making the most out of a little bit. So we're gonna play some of our music for you guys, a couple songs that are ours. And does that work for you right now?
Send it.
All right. Okay, here we go. This is a song I wrote called Bottom Dollar.
looked high,
I looked high,
and I looked low,
I looked low,
and I got high,
I got high,
and I bottom dollar, she's gone.
Thank you guys. Bottom dollar. 7-1 into Patterns. This is a song called Patterns. It's one of our songs as well. We're going to do, because of copyright reasons and because we like playing our own music, we're just going to play our songs out here for you guys. So,
We like your song.
thank you. I like you. Think I could have one of those drinks you offered earlier?
Yeah, I think so. It's time to, just a sip of one.
Yeah.
Because then after this, I'm just taking a hard ride off that cliff. Let's go.
Going.
My man.
Yes, there is, again, the only sponsor here is that right arm.
Not being sponsored by anything.
That's the best part of this. Mountain Games. This is true Mountain Games.
Cheers, y'all. Appreciate
The
that.
state of
Oh,
Colorado.
we got some randos showing up. Nice, I dig it. I love it. Lokes, I hope.
I don't think if you're here right now, I think it's kind of meant to be. You know what I mean?
Yeah, totally.
On all the places you could have been. Right here is where you is.
I mean, you could have been on that side of the bridge, and
Patterns? This is a song I wrote called Patterns, you guys.
God don't ask the devil for favor. I've learned this the hard way on my own. I don't know just where this ride will take us, but I hold on white knuckle to the bone. 'Cause youth is wasted all on the young. Youth is wasted all on the young. Patterns in your lives I've been ignoring. The patterns in the sky brought us there. The promise on this soul I've been restoring. With achievements I forgot throughout the years. 'Cause youth is wasted all on the young. Youth is wasted all on the young. Learned the less I know and deaths I've done in days before. I write these words about my time, living poems and speaking rhyme. These patterns get the best of me, but the best of what is left of me, and I suppose will carry on I suppose we'll carry over. Youth is wasted all on the young. Youth is wasted all on the young.
With
Tried to get the honk for that 18 wheeler. I was a little late.
Unreal. The dynamic of what's happening. We got Highway 24 and
Aircraft
rush
carriers.
hour on a Tuesday, right? That's happening. This is rad.
I think somebody just base jumped off that bridge. I'm not sure.
Yeah, we will one of these times, sure.
Unreal. I mean, all these cars driving by, they're like, all right. I mean, okay.
this is going to be a thing right here.
I hope, you
We
know,
just did a thing.
I hope we've taken jamming the tram
Yeah.
to the next
Yeah.
level.
Oh, yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
Where's it
I
going
like
to
it.
be?
Right. Like
Some
trams.
tall grass on the overpass?
Yeah.
That doesn't really work, though. It doesn't roll off the tongue. You know what I mean? We're going to have
Bro
to keep working
grass
on
on the overpass.
it. Grass on the pass.
Past the soul grass?
All right. Coming near you, exactly. I mean, we're lucky. There's a lot of people. There's people that don't like to hang out outside. I mean, I'd say in Colorado, if you don't like to hang out outside, kiss music goodbye, because it's gonna, like we're doing a lot of things outside nowadays. River Wondergrass,
That's right.
that's all outside. Like
Back
good
to
stuff.
outside.
Good stuff.
All right, what do we got? What do you guys want to do? Tangled?
All right, here's another song that is ours. I guess I can stop saying that because I already gave that disclaimer earlier. But this is a song called Tangled. And if you want, you can go to any streaming media platform and check out Tyree Woods, and that's my name. And you'll see that song on there, as well as some other music. So if you guys get a chance, check me out. Quick plug over. All right, let's play Tangled. Watching ride their white horses, living high on the hill, hoping make the right choices. Oh, there's room for you still. What it is, what it was, let it go. Just because you'll get so tangled up. What it is, what it was, let it go. Otherwise, you'll get so tangled up. All the risks we've been taking to stay out of the grave, the mistakes we've been making, they've already been made. What it is, what it was,
because you get so tangled up. What it is and what it was, let it go. Otherwise, you get so tangled up. What it is, what it was, let it go. Just because you get so tangled up. What it is, what it was, let it go. Otherwise, you get so tangled up.
Thank you guys. That's Tangled. That's Tangled right there. Thank you guys very much. Man, we almost lost the light, huh, Goldie?
No, I mean, you guys
good?
are bringing the light. That's what's happening right now.
All right, we're going to play. This next one's about the earth. It's a song I wrote called, what's it called, Baker? Hard Telling is what it's called. Yeah, Hard Telling, Not Knowing. I was fly fishing with a buddy one time. His name's Pat Dodge, real good dude. We were out fishing. He's a far better fisherman than me. And I was like, where do you think the fish are? I think they're up that bend over there. And he said, well, it's hard telling, not knowing. And I made a message in my phone at that moment. I was like, I'm going to write a song about that, you know. So thank you, Pat, for that inspiration in that moment. And thank you, Mother Earth, for giving us a beautiful evening to spend with friends, new and old. So thank you, guys. Thank you, Goldie.
I've never heard if there's a fish or not. Was there? Did anyone?
I caught a fish that day, huge fish. Every time I tell the story, it gets a little bigger.
That's great.
sleep, but you won't sleep for long. Well, mama, you wonder, your words come in the wind. We've been led astray by the evilest of men. It's hard to tell it, not knowing. It's hard to see it and not going. It's hard to feel it and not showing. It's hard to need it and not holding. It's hard to tell it. It's hard time. Well, brother, I'm sorry. Well, I know we done you wrong. We made you wait. We made you wait so long. Well, brother, you wonder. Your words come in the wind. We've been led astray by the evilest of men. It's hard to tell it, not knowing. It's hard to see it and not showing. It's hard to feel it and not showing. It's hard to need it and not holding. It's hard to tell it. It's hard time. It's hard to tell it, not knowing. It's hard to see it and not knowing. It's hard to feel it and not showing. It's hard to need it and not holding. It's hard to tell it. It's hard time.
Hey guys, that's hard telling. Thank you guys very much. Thank you. Thank you. Pretty incredible place to play this song.
Got to be one of the best stages we've played today.
Are you kidding?
Definitely today. Yeah.
Except for the brake smell occasionally from the 18-wheeler is kind
You
of
get
weird.
used to it, kind of.
I've smelled a lot of smells at concerts, but never
Slow
burning
down.
brakes.
So, Buffalo Commons, what was day one? When did these 4 humans collect and become Buffalo Commons? When, because sometimes there's a process, right?
Yeah.
But what was the day where it was like, we're Buffalo Commons?
I think we're in the process right now, but 2016 is when we all, we've had multiple, we've done some lineup switches, but the guys that we had, these 2 have been with me since the beginning. Jake Brake.
Yeah, there's a real Jake Brake.
That's great American Jake Brake right
That's some
there.
real nice green
What was
grass
that?
right there.
You're going to see this thing on camera cruising by here pretty
It's
soon.
huge.
That thing, he doesn't even use his brakes. He's
Yeah.
just basically.
Yeah, totally. So we started officially in 2016. I came up with the idea for Buffalo Commons when I got out of the military in 2014. And I had this band name, and I started telling people I was going to start a band, but I didn't know anybody in Steamboat. And I almost felt like I was lying a little bit, but looking back on it now, it's more like just kind of putting it out there into the ether. And then luckily I met my good man Denton Turner here first, and this great dude Eric Baker shortly after that, and Tyler. He's from Michigan, just like me, and we started playing with Tyler about 2 years ago. So we also we're the best looking members of Buffalo Commons, but there's a couple other guys that are in it. Randy Kelly, bless his heart, fiddle player, and the man Dan Joe Harris. And they couldn't be here today. But yeah, we're honored to be here with you, bro.
No,
Honored.
I'm amazed. And I'm also amazed at human technology of microphones, as that truck is now a solid mile and cheese away. And if we just quiet for a second. Oh, good, he's gone.
There you go.
So, all right, sweet. So, yeah, let's get into a song or 2 more. What do you feel?
Okay,
Sounds
we got
good.
a couple more songs. This next one is a tune called Cannonball Jones. And he's about an urban Robin Hood type character that would steal from the rich and give to the poor. So here we go. We're going to try this with the shaker. Cannonball Jones, didn't you know? Cannonball Jones, didn't you know? Cannonball Jones, didn't you know? When you come for nothing, oh, you see is everything. If you don't stand for something, then you fall for anything. It seems somehow we've lost our way. It seems somehow I've lost my way. Oh, yeah. Cannonball Jones, did you know? Cut down for knocking over the liquor stove. Took all the money, gave it to the poor. Daddy was a preacher and his mom a whore. Cannonball Jones, did you know? Cut down for knocking over the liquor stove. Took all the money, gave it to the poor. Daddy was a preacher and his mom a whore. In these days we're living,
Daddy was pretty and his mama. Oh, now Cannonball Jones, did you know? Cut down to knocking over legal door. Took out the money, get to the poor. Daddy was a pretty and his mama. Oh, Cannonball Jones, did you know? 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 Thank you guys. That was Cannonball Jones. All right. Well, thank you guys. Hi guys. How are you guys doing over there? Doing good. Thank you for hanging out and listening to us.
Can you get a shot of,
Yeah.
I guess you see
We
it's
did.
rocks all around us, right?
Yes, we've
Goldie,
got-
thank you for having us for this.
Absolutely.
We're
dude.
Buffalo Commons. We're happy to be anywhere.
And proving it.
And proving it. We got one more song for you guys. It's a
love
tune called My Way Home. And I hope that everybody that's out here this evening finds their way home. And for the rest of your life, wherever you may go, I don't think we can ever go so far that we can't go back home. You know what I mean? So here we go. This is My Way Home. Thank you guys very much. Pony and the men back in 83 didn't know a lot about poverty, cause we had a lot of some that you couldn't buy. Had a lot of some that you couldn't buy. Had a lot of loving and you got us by. Mama did her best and daddy tried. We had a lot of some that you couldn't buy. Had a lot of some that you couldn't buy. So I always find turn the page and we had a lot of songs that you couldn't buy. Had a lot of songs that you couldn't buy. Had a lot of loving and it got us by. Mama did her best and daddy tried. We had a lot of songs that you couldn't buy. Had a lot of songs that you couldn't buy. best and daddy tried. We had a lot of songs that you couldn't buy. Had a lot of songs that you couldn't buy. Had a lot of loving, you got us by. You know it, got us by. You know it, got us by. Thank you, Cody, for having us, man. Thank all you guys for hanging out. We're Buffalo Commons. Everybody have a great summer. A great 2021. Great 2022 and beyond. Thank you, guys.
That was sick. Well, thank you so much, Tyree and crew.
Thank you, bro.
Dude, that was
Thank you.
awesome. Thank you. And to all the people that showed up
Yeah.
because you were out driving
Thousands
today.
of people,
I'm
literally millions of zillions
Mil-
of people are out here right now.
Just like the internet. The second you put a song on there, it's just millions of people.
Thank you guys very much for hanging out with us. Thank you.
That's awesome. All right, take that to dinner with you, and we'll see you guys at another stage.
Thank you.
Houston, roger that.